Hey everybody, Carl here, and I just wanted to bring a quick part two to this voltage enhancer that we've been working on. So let me show you. Let me show you what I got here. All right, let me click this around. Okay, go. Alrighty, now like before, I've got the circuit set up. This part here is new. This is the old. And when we look up here, we got 3.1 volts going in DC, right? Okay, and it's right now it's producing, and it's bouncing around. It's not like a real stable circuit, you know. I mean, it's not, it's not something that is good. Though it's kind of stabilized around 58, 59, around there. It goes up a little bit and it comes down. It goes up a little bit and comes down. And this is what we showed before. It's that circuit there. Okay? And I hope you guys got that before. And maybe hopefully tried it. But now, what if we add that to it? Okay? So now we're coming off the transformers secondary, and we've got a cap going in to split in two diodes with another cap on the end. And those caps I'm using are electrolytic. They're 10 microfarad, 450 volts. The diodes were just some diodes I had hanging around. I don't think it matters. Okay, that's the circuit there. We've added on to it. Now, let's hook up our leads. Okay, all we got to do really is, tell you what, I don't like grabbing this stuff when I'm especially trying to do it here, okay, yeah, she had a little charge in it. I didn't want that charge going in me, so, okay, let me hook it up on this now. Right now, let's turn it back on. Same thing, 3 volts. Now let's go to just see what it says on DC. Okay, wow, see, so it's up to 163, 64. And I got it turned around. It's climbing up though. I got the leads turned. Let me change the leads out. There, now let's see what happens. Okay, now we're at 280, still going up, 290, and remember this is DC. So there we're cracking 300 volts DC, and remember we're still on just 3 volts here, DC coming in with our circuit. But now we've added the 2 capacitors and the 2 diodes, and look what we're getting. Now I played around with this. I hooked up some. I tried to see what it would power, what wouldn't, and there isn't a whole lot of oomph there, guys. I mean, that's something you could play with down the road, but just for an experiment to play around and see what you can do with a little bit of components on a breadboard. We're just on a breadboard here. And look at that. I mean, there's hardly anything there when you think about it. When you see some of the breadboard projects, this is really nothing. And out of that, we got 316 volts. Isn't that amazing? So I wanted to add on to this and finish up just to show you, you know, that you can do some pretty neat experiments with a little breadboard, a few components. I mean, there's no money into that really, right? You know, most of those parts you probably have in your bins and, you know, in your spare part bags and stuff. So I just wanted to bring that to you. I thought it was pretty cool. Mm-hmm. And this configuration is considered a cascading setup on it. It's not the conventional. And maybe down the road, if I get some requests, we can do a tripler and even a quadrupler based on this same circuit right here. So with that, I just want to let you go. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you give this a try. I mean, you know, for just a fun project, something to do, and, you know, and what does this do? Well, it helps us. First of all, you know, it keeps you busy in the hobby. It gives you something other than just, you know, following a schematic and, you know, is this tube good? No. Is this resistor good? Yeah, that looks good. I mean, you know, and all that's fun in that, but this takes a little bit different. This takes you and it teaches you a little bit more about the hobby, about electronics. Now let's do something that we shouldn't do. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna turn my power supply off. I'm gonna pull these out, and I thought we'd just end it. Maybe we'd make a spark. And that's always fun to do, right? Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, okay. Not exactly 4th of July, but, you know, kind of fun on the bench. Okay, everybody, have a great day. I'll see you all later. Bye for now.